Is it on there good?
I think so.
You can...
Yep.
Okay. So now we'll try to put the plastic thing back on. Just be careful of the wires.
I also don't even know how it goes. So.
Well...
Oh, you want... Oh, this
yeah, the plastic piece. Yeah,
I thought you meant the plastic too.
No, because we just make sure those wires kind of get tucked in there, and because we can't do the knob until we...
Perfect.
And you look at how those things kind of snap in at the top of the plastic and the bottom of the plastic, because you might have to go at a certain angle or something. All snapped in.
Mm-hmm. Other piece.
Yeah, so now we need to put that stuff away. So take that adapter and that end and put it back in those little...
Is this one here?
No, no. There should be like the little... Maybe it's underneath. Yeah. Yeah, so...
It was a star one.
Yep. Should only be 2 empty spots. The adapter go... Yep, you already got it. Yeah, put... Well...
I'm just gonna make sure. No, too small. This one.
That do it?
Let's see.
Well, does it lock into it? Looks like it's sliding around.
Yeah, a little bit.
So what did you... Okay, so you probably... It looks like you grabbed the Phillips. So...
Yeah, I did.
Here. Yeah, the stars are on this one.
Ew. What if I just go like this? Lock and load.
Now, you know, if we put this all together like this, screw this all in, and then we try the knob and it doesn't work, we might have to take this pot out again. So
That's
maybe we should...
fine.
You don't want to do the knob first?
Nah.
Okay.
Should be fine.
What about the other side?
I already got that one.
The other side's tight enough? You don't want to make it...
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, let's put that away. Oh, you don't need to do that, Chase.
See now?
So we can't see. Oh, can we? Yeah, we can. Whole triangle in there with the metal inside of it. So I don't know where you're supposed to go with this. I know the other video had some more information.
The triangle like leads up, so this goes to a point.
should be hard to get in there, so. Let me try.
Yeah.
It's also a slightly different. Let's see.
I also have another idea if this one doesn't work.
Which is what?
If
Glue?
we no, if we put the plastic onto the rod and then stick it in like that. You put it through this. Did you get it?
Hey, let me. I know it works, but just go the first one out. The first, pull it out, just the first, and then all the way. Okay. All right, good job.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Bye.